He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick. And it's our job to analyze their weapons, armor, and skills to find out who would win a death battle. Let Canary run down. If not for the discovery of what she likes to call her canary cry.
Heard your saliva and canary cry.
Canary cry.
Canary cry, yeah.
Originally, a wizard gave her the power, though. So we're kind of referencing it here.
Is it weird that her mom was also named Dinah? They're really forming a dynasty.
Perfect. I don't know why we never actually put that in here.
Blonde? Don't you mean yellow?
Regardless. Okay, well, all that pales in comparison to her signature ability, the Banshee Scream. Rah. Rah. Scream. It's like, caw, caw.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still me.
Caw, caw. Oh, it's still me. Dude, that was weird.
You have a Banshee voice? Oh my god! You sound like you're dying. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Got a freaking Banshee in the middle of this booth. Like, oh, what? I gotta get out of here.
It's me, the Banshee. Kill me!
Gladly. Chad will never sing again.
No! You got the touch! You got the
I just remember my voice like went out and I was just I can't do it when I have my voice, but
Well, speaking of shrieking, I gotta go drop off my latest child support payment to my ex.
I like it. Let's do that.
I don't know where we're going from here.
Yeah, just be like a genuine, like, oh, thank you. Like, that's it. There's no joke. It's just Wiz and Boomstick are supportive of each other for once.
Thanks, buddy. Decisions of the past, man.
Sorry, when was the last time you paid this?
Last time you were missing your wallet. Well, see you later.
Yeah, there's a lot more shit in that corner. Ooh,
Bottle of classic.
water. It's still gonna smell like wine, but I promise
It's
that's water.
water.
Yeah. Are you done, Gerardo? We can get back to doing our job now? I'm just kidding. Okay.
Oh, we have a job?
Yep.
Wait, are we supposed to be paid for this?
Yep. I was getting paid bison dollars. Sorry. You guys were kidding. Street Fighter's movie. All right.
Okay.
I'm trying. It's me. I'm ready to go.
Then go. Are you ready to go?
God damn it! That's why she's got some nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the shouting for her.
Do you think that her name is Dinah because she blows her horn? You remember that song?
What song?
Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Yeah.
Oh.
It's old.
Just like you.
Damn. That was harsh. Play that at my funeral.
Okay. We have it recorded.
Yeah.
So this 50-something-year-old
Yes.
that played at his funeral. Can you scroll up?
What?
We're past the...
No,
That's his true voice, actually.
it's me.
He's really good with voices. He's able to sound like he's in his young to mid-30s, but like
This is the real sound here. I don't know.
that's his actual age. He's been pulling this off. It's been a long con.
Just kidding, it's me. I'm Wiley.
All right, sure, that was a blooper reel thing. Okay, anyway. Oh, it's me.
What? Green Lantern was using his...
Why?
Green Lantern would... What?
That was a reaction. Keep in mind, Dinah does not technically possess superhuman speed or strength.
Neither does Batman, but we all know that's bullshit. But I wouldn't be surprised if she secretly drank some super soldier serum at some point, cause she can outmuscle superhumans and smash steel like it's fucking hell! So many S's!
It's a lot of S's. I actually took out S's because it did say at some point, because I noticed that.
It does say at some point.
Oh, sorry,
She
it did say
secretly
or something.
drank some super soldier serum at some point because she can outmuscle superhumans and smash steel.
But I surely wouldn't be surprised
Yeah.
if she
Yeah.
secretly sipped. That's what it was. It used to say sipped. if she secretly sipped some super soldier serum at some point.
Good God. All right. That was a lot. I fall over. That was
You doing okay?
Well, I'm drunk. Just kidding.
Just put that in the blooper reel, but just don't include the part where he says, just kidding.
Don't do that.
Just hard cut after I'm drunk.
Don't do
It's
that.
perfect. I mean, we do have a nearly empty wine bottle over there.
Yeah, you're the one popping that cork.
It helps that she has a special membrane.
Next to her main man, Green Arrow. They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that.
Oh God. Okay. All right.
They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver, if you know what I mean. They did sex. They did sex to each other.
It's like, that's the weirdest way.
They did sex to each
Yeah, I was
other.
trying to make it sound dumb and silly.
This sounds good to me. All right. The realm of Edenia was a paradise, a Garden of Eden, if you will.
You said that like it was supposed to be clever.
There we go. I had a burp. That was weird. Okay.
I heard that.
I do an alt for when you say the tournament of Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat! Do, 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 do.
Sure.
Now you have it in case you wanted to, because it's
Just
fun.
as I'm saying, by decree of the elder gods, you just hear that in the background.
Oh, you could. I figured we would
like
pause for a moment, and there would just be like a beat, and then you would just, by decree of the elder gods.
I kind of like it just going underneath me as I'm talking.
Oh, in that case,
Mortal Kombat! Do, 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 do. Unfortunately for
To legitimize his rule, Khan murdered Jared, married Sindel, and adopted her daughter Katana as his own.
your family is mine now.
After I killed your dad and husband.
I'm the dad now. Tiger pie. I don't know.
Tigers are endangered, you know.
Yeah, probably because they make delicious pies.
I mean, this is the preview. I guess you could start talking about how you want pie. What do we have here instead? Oh yeah, some like boomstick foo thing.
Their blood's delicious. Haven't you had it on a snow cone?
And I don't want to imply that Wiz is killing like endangered species to make pies, but like boomstick, you know that's just strawberry and cherry, right?
In their blood?
Yes. That's tiger's blood. Tigers are fueled by strawberry and cherry.
Well, I'm off to shoot me a tiger.
No!
just kidding.
No. We're not doing that.
Oh, you can kill anything if you find the right country.
Tigers are gonna be extinct in like the next decade, and it's gonna
really
be
sad.
so sad.
all right, we won't do that.
Next, you're gonna tell me that spicy rooster
Sauce, damn it.
Next, you're gonna tell me that spicy rooster sauce doesn't have actual rooster.
Ones I make do. In the original story, she was actually freed from Shao Kahn.
Shao Kahn. Get it? Because he's gone. She's free of him.
Free from Shao Kahn. Oh my god.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome. My voice is doing weird things.
Her hair. She can command it to stretch like a tentacle, constrict opponents, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb. Limb.
Not gonna lie, Wiz. You could do some sex stuff with that.
I don't know.
I mean, yeah.